Yes?
Did you really think this would work?
Cirrus, please, we want to help you. Don't do anything hasty.
Destroying you is as easy as flicking a pest.
No!
Sana!
Kirak!
How boring and small.
You want the Atlas? Take it. It's yours. But Oriath? Oriath, I will burn to the ground.
Perhaps the suffering of my fellow citizens will finally stir something.
I'm not up to that just yet.
What's this? A real talent. You'll finally caught my attention.
Why run? What's the point? Creation itself. Glorious way! Be utterly annihilated.
The others found strength in their projections. They became reliant.
Why run? What's the point? Glorious way! Creation itself!
Life really interesting enough to warrant all